Sarge, personal box of in the game use onto a fresh case here. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, Sarge, enjoy. Here we go. Number to 20, Jeremy Roenick. Game used memorabilia. Next, holy cow. 5 of 5, Bill Gadsby, Olympia Stadium relic. Next, 1 of 2, Sergei Fedorov jersey. That's cool. 1 of 4, Dale Howardchuk and Keith Kachuk. Keith Kachuk, that looks like it's a USA jersey. Howardchuk and Kachuk. It's the Chucks. Dual patch to 4. And on the back, my God, this is sick. Oh, mercy. It's a 1 of 1. Oh boy. This is disgusting. Holy crap. Bill Barilko, Hap Day, King Clancy, Ace Bailey, Charlie Conacher, Ted Kennedy, Busher Jackson, and Tim Horton. 1 of 1. Vintage 8. Holy mama. Gulp. Whoa. And the Kennedy, I don't know what that's from, but it is disgusting. Horton is like fight strap or something. Busher Jackson's crazy leather. But it's actually, it's like almost suede. You got some really cool pieces on here. Ace Bailey is the inside of his skate. King Clancy, you've got stitching going down it. Oh, disgusting. Sarge, congrats, man.